welcome back to Beautyroom for another video. It's your girl Alicia. Today is Workout Wednesday, so I've got another 5-minute fitness workout for you that we can do in just 5 minutes. Trust me, it's gonna get you burning, it's gonna get you sweating, okay? So let's get into it. We're just gonna walk it out just like any other workout. We're gonna get started off with a walking warm-up, get you stretched, get you loose, get you ready to do all the work, okay? So hope you had a great week. It's been a little rough for me, I'm not gonna lie, but on Wednesdays we work out, so it's all good. It's all good in the hood, you know. And we're gonna get this workout done, okay? All right, so first I'm gonna start off with a squat punch combo, and I'm gonna teach it to you real slow. So it's like this. So first we're gonna squat, punch, and we're gonna stand up, and then we're gonna squat, punch. Do it with me. Squat, punch, squat, punch, squat, punch, squat, punch. Okay, on the other side we're gonna do the same. Squat, punch, squat, punch, squat, punch, squat, punch. See how I picked it up right there? So we're just gonna do 1 and 1 on each side. So let's go, let's get into it. So squat, punch, punch, squat, punch, punch, squat, punch, punch, squat, punch, punch. See it? Getting it? We're gonna go slow, we're gonna keep it up real good. Feel the burn. Nice, easy workout for you. We're gonna get into it nice and slow. Make sure that you don't overextend your knees past your feet. You don't wanna hurt yourself. Make sure you have a nice wide stance going on. Just work out with me. Nice deep breaths. Ooh, we're getting a nice one, Abby. Let's go. Get it going, here we go. Bump it up. We're gonna move it up a little faster here. I know you know it now. So we're gonna get into it, okay? It's gonna make you breathe. It's gonna make you burn. It's gonna make you sweat. Don't forget the rhythm. Don't lose that beat. It goes 1, 2, 1, 2. Let's go. 1, 2, 1, 2 to the beat. 1, 2. Hey, 1, 2. Let's go. Work those arms. Work those legs. Squat as far as you can. Don't overdo it. Don't overextend. I don't want you to hurt yourself, but I also want you to feel that burn. You should feel that burn right here, okay? Right there in the neck, yes. You're gonna feel it. I promise you. And if you don't, I mean you ain't doing it right. Okay, so let's breathe through it. Here we go. Okay? And at 3 seconds, I'm gonna let you, at 3 minutes, I'm gonna let you have a nice minute to rest. Okay? Let's go. Okay. Now, take a nice deep breath. We're gonna walk it out just a little bit. Now, I know you feel the burn right here. Push through the burn. Don't stop, okay? Because that's where you get the progress, is when you push through that burn. Now, I'm not saying push through the hurt. If you feel hurt, take a minute, stop, get some water, hydrate, do what you need to do and get back into it. But if you feel that right here, that pull, that means you're doing it right. Okay, so let's get back into it. Okay, now we're gonna turn it up a notch. Let's go. 1, 1, 2. Let's go. 1, 2. Hey, 1, 2. Let's go. 1, 2 to the beat. 1, 2. Okay, 1, 2. Turn it up. 1, 2. Let's go. Push it out. This is your workout. You want to feel the burn? You want those results? Let's go. It's your worthless journey. It's your goal journey. Let's go. Let's push it out. 2020 took a lot from us. We gonna get it back. Okay, let's go. Okay? Hey, punch, 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 punch. Let's go, 1 more minute. Really move it. Really groove it. You can do it. Don't give up. I believe in you. We're gonna get this workout done. We're gonna get this workout in. We're gonna lose the weight. We're gonna get our physique right, get our booty right, get our minds tight, and everything right. You feel me? Let's go. Almost done. A few more seconds now. Boom, boom. Turn it up. Boom, boom. 1, 2, 1, 2. It goes 1, 2, 1, 2. We're going fast. Don't hold back. Don't give up. Go as fast as you can. Feel that burn. Get that workout. Get those results. Okay? Woo! Breathe it out. did it. You persevered. You might seem like, oh, this ain't doing nothing. Baby, it is. Especially if you come back every day with me, work out with me. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe for the next Workout With Me Wednesday. And you can come back to this video every single day this week for your 5-minute workout. Thanks for working out with me. Thanks for hanging out with me. And go find your inner glow. And I'll see you in the future. Bye.